Do you like Elmo?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Take a picture of her.
Okay, Mommy cut the tank. Mommy cut, Mommy. This one cut. I'm going to help her. This Mommy cut.
Okay, we'll cut together. You should have put...
Mommy cut too?
First, we take out the candles.
Okay.
Do you want to help Mommy take out the candles?
Yeah.
One. Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
And this one.
4.
Okay. Now let's cut the cake.
I want to cut.
Be careful.
Okay, Asha, you must always hold the handle here. Okay, let's cut into Elmo.
Cut. Cut pieces.
There we go.
And now cut
Do
the
you want Elmo face?